Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of block 18, and the name of our block is patterns, isn't it, children? And in this, we have learned to say or to observe which turn the shape have taken to create the pattern. That is it half turn, 1 by turn, or 1 by 4, or 3 by 4, isn't it, children? And in the second topic we have learned how to design the patterns using the shapes, and also we have learned to complete the designs by drawing the mirror images for the given designs. Yes, and in third topic we have learned how to understand the pattern rule and how to write the next numbers following that pattern rule. Yes, for numbers. Yes, so in the next topic, in the fourth topic, we are going to learn about the number patterns. Okay, children, for this please open your maths content book and turn to page number 116. 116. Okay, so there you can see number patterns, set for number patterns, which is our topic 4. So in that you have a question that look at the pattern in the numbers within the square boxes in the given calendar. Beside that you have a calendar of the month January 2014, isn't it? So looking at the calendar, you need to say which pattern it follows, which pattern it has. So if you see, children, sum of all the rows will be equal to sum of all the columns. That is the pattern you can observe. That is, if you see the rows like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, 8, 9, 10 till 31. Those are the rows. Coming to columns, 4 plus 11 plus 18 plus 25 plus 5 plus 12. If you go on add like this, then also the sum is the same. Okay, and also if you see any month calendar, children, you can find 7 table in it. Okay, multiplication table of 7. If you see the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of the January month of 2014 in the same calendar, you can see 7. Below that you have 14, then you have 21, then you have 28. So in this way you can find the 7 table also in the any month, any calendar, any year. Okay, next you have 14th question, which is what is a pattern in the given multiplication table chart. There you can see the multiplication table chart, 12 into 12. Yes, and you have some questions here, A to E. So according to read those questions, observe in the multiplication chart table, and you need to write. So the first one is first row and column. That is first row and column. What you can see that in both you have zeros, isn't it, children? Here first row and first column is the answers, not the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And row also you have 1 to 12, and column also you have 1 to 12. So that is not your first row. The next row where you have zeros, that is your first row and first column. Okay, so those the answers only we consider the rows and columns, children. Okay, so here it's like the numbers which you refer to get the answer. Okay, that is not the first row and first column. Okay, next you have third row. So if you see, children, 0 is the first row, 1 is the second row, third row is 2. So and look at the answers: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So all are even numbers, isn't it? Or you can even say it is a multiplication table of 2, or it is the even numbers. Even numbers are nothing but 2 4 6 8, which ends with 2 4 6 8, isn't it? So that's what you have. So you can either write even numbers or the table of 2 or multiplication table of 2. Okay, next you have boxes shaded in red, the C1. So next one you have boxes shaded in red, C. Yes, so there you can see that all the boxes which are shaded in 3. Can you see the boxes which are shaded in red color, children? 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64, 81, 100, 121, 144. So what are those boxes? So if you see children, 0, that is 1 into 1, first row and first column. And if you see 1, second row and second column, isn't it? And if you see 4, that is third into third column. In the same way, if you see all, you can see that 12 into 12 columns. Okay, that is multiplication of similar numbers you can see. Okay, there also you have 0 into 0 also, where you need to include here 0 into 0. Okay, I have given in your daily schedule, write it down. Okay, next you have 11th row, which I have written as 6th C bit. 11th row, if you count and see children, 11th row is the table of 10 row. Children, row is the horizontal one and the column is the vertical one. Okay, so if you see the 11th row, it is the table of 10. You can see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. That is a table of 10. Okay, and finally 10th row and 10th column. What do you have? 10th row and 10th column, that is table of 9. That is the multiplication table of 9. Okay, so for this children, you need not to draw the table, the calendar and the multiplication table chart. If you have time, you can draw it. Otherwise, there itself write it down. Refer content book page number 116 for the pictures. You can mention like that there, or else if you have time, you can draw it also. It's your wish. Okay, so complete this work, and as your classwork and as your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 13, S4, number patterns. Okay, so with this we have completed with this block children. So in the next class, I'll meet you with the new block children. See you in the next class. Bye.